So it's amazing how these air compressors, portable, are getting more compact and more easy to use. Take this one for example. It's nearly the size of a GoPro camera. And what's great about it is it has a protective rubberized coating to take a little bumps and bruises and protect the unit itself. Clear LED display lets you know the settings, and with a sensor accuracy range of 2 PSI, you're right there on the nose of your settings. Charging time is 60 minutes. Noise level is below 80 dB. Type-C charging port, provided cable, and it has a range of 3 to 150 PSI. So this makes this great to be on hand, portable when you're on your bicycle, put it in your motorcycle to be ready for anything, and all sorts of small jobs, whether it's sports equipment, pool equipment, tool wheels like wheelbarrows and carts. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this size of portability and the job that it can do. It comes with all the adapters you would need to inflate most anything, including a sports needle for sporting equipment balls, and for the two types of valves that are used on bicycles, whether they're high-end bicycles or traditional valves that are also on cars. It has an inflatable hose adapter, a Compressor valve adapter, a seal ring. It comes with everything you need. This packs a lot of punch in a small package, and you should consider it to keep maybe a few around the house.